Hi, I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson, and you're watching Get Your Sax Together. Welcome back for another Christmassy classic. This time, you're going to learn how to play What Are You Doing New Year's Eve? I love this Christmas song, it's really great. You're going to have the notes come up for alto and tenor, and don't forget you can go and grab a free PDF using the link that you can see there, or just click the link in the description and you'll get the sheet music and note names and everything. So there's no excuse, no matter what standard you are, you'll be able to play these songs, get the fingerings and all sorts. It's brilliant. I'm going to play it first, and then you're going to play it, and the backing track will run for you to play. Now, like last week, there's a little bit in the middle where I'm just going to give you some notes to play around with so you can do your own little bit of improvising in the middle. And if you don't know how to improvise, I've got a whole playlist which I shall link in the description about improvising. You're going to love it. Okay, so on with the Christmassy music. This is What You're Doing New Year's Eve. I hope you enjoy it. So that's it for this week. I hope you really enjoyed learning what you're doing New Year's Eve. Of course, like I mentioned earlier, don't forget to go and get your free PDF, which you can see the URL for there, or just click the link in the description. And as always, you can learn how to improve your saxophone playing instantly with my 1 hour saxophone success masterclass, which is also linked there. Alrighty, hope you have a fantastic Christmas. And until then, practice hard, practice smart, and enjoy your music. See you later. Oh, I didn't do promo for the last one.